Hello and welcome to the GlobalSense Customer Portal tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to log on to the GlobalSense Customer Portal and locate and download products and documentation. So let's get started. We access the Customer Portal from the support page of globalsense.com. We can click the Login button to log on to the home page of the Customer Portal, or we can click on one of the products below to go directly to the product folder. We'll use the Login button and I'll log on as Bob Smith. This is the Customer Portal homepage. All products your company has access to are available here. In this example, Bob Smith's company has purchased Power Tools for deployments and Power Tools for workflows. Let's download all files required to install Power Tools for deployments. The latest release of the product is accessible from here. All previous releases available on the Customer Portal can be found in the Previous Releases folder. Each product release folder has folders for documentation and patches, URLs to required components, and a zip file of the product module. Some product folders may contain other documentation or files. In this case, there's a licensing agreement. There are two ways to download what we need. The first is to individually download each item. But we're going to use the bulk download. If we select all, you'll note all items are selected, and just by clicking on the items you can select and deselect them. Then we click download and give the zip file a suitable name. The next thing we need to do is download any required components. We'll follow this link to the GCI Utils folder. Now again, we could use the bulk download to download all the files in here. But as the patches folder is empty, we'll just download the individual file. And that's it. Let's have a look at what we've downloaded. There's the GCI Utils product, and this is the contents of the PTD folder. And what I will do is extract it into this folder. Now, if we neglected to download the GCI Utils module, we can get to the folder by double-clicking this link, logging in, and there we are. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact GlobalSense Support.